Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to find your recently watched videos on Facebook. So from your home page, we're going to click in the top right-hand corner on your account profile picture. From there, we're going to click on Settings and Privacy, and next you're going to click on Settings. And from there, we're going to go over onto the left-hand side, and you're going to scroll down a little way until you see the section that says Your Activity. So from there, you're going to click on Activity Log. From there, you should see this page, and third down, you should see a section that says videos you've watched. So clicking on there, you'll be shown all the different videos you've watched at different times, and you can click to view them again, or click on the three dots to delete, or you can clear your complete video watch history. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.